The Sparrow 360 is a lightweight, durable, easy-to-use selfie camera that will take your selfie game to the next level. The Sparrow 360 is perfect for indoor flights and features one-button sharing. Capturing your life has never been easier. The Sparrow 360 weighs less than a pound. That means it will fit easily into your purse or backpack. Its durable polycarbonate materials means that the Sparrow 360 is ready for action. The beauty of this selfie drone is in its simplicity. The Sparrow 360 is easy to fly with no experience required. There is no calibration or any detailed setup required. Just connect your smartphone and you're ready to go. Are you worried about the Sparrow 360 hitting your walls? Well, don't be. Built-in IR or infrared avoidance technology means indoor flight is simple with no risk of collisions. It features enclosed propellers for a comfortable and safe flight for the best selfies and aerial photography. The Sparrow 360 features a 12-megapixel camera capable of shooting 1080p video at 60 and 30 frames per second. You'll be able to take the perfect photo in the day and at night with the Sparrow 360's built-in flashlights, and with 720p video streaming directly to your phone, you'll never forget the details of your adventures. The Sparrow 360 also comes with a range of control modes to adapt to every unique selfie opportunity, all controlled via Sparrow 360's dedicated app. This selfie drone is for those who are all about experiencing life to the fullest and sharing their world at a touch of a button, because life is about the moments that you create with the Sparrow 360.